People always ask me if the case will be processed faster if I file it using a lawyer. A place where a lawyer can help speed things up is by knowing what type of evidence is powerful evidence and by not making mistakes on the actual forms and petitions. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll occasionally do a video on some sort of USCIS status update, especially if it's a dramatic change from what we are used to seeing. And today is that type of video. So what I have in front of me is an I-130 family petition approval notice for a petition that I filed on July 21st, 2023. This family petition was for the spouse of a US citizen, and it got approved at the end of September, exactly 2 months and 8 days after I filed it. And it got approved without an interview. So that's just amazing. Under 3 months for a spouse-based family petition is a dramatic departure from the prior processing times that we've seen. So hopefully we will see more of this from USCIS. I will also say for this I-130 family petition, we submitted a ton of evidence, which is what contributed to there not having been an interview. The immigration officer was able to look at the evidence we submitted and the properly filed form and see that this is obviously a good faith marriage. There is no need to interview them. It is worth mentioning that this family petition was approved at the Texas Service Center and that the clients live in New York. So if you have a similar family petition pending at that service center and you live in New York, there's a chance that you might get lucky or see a similar outcome like my clients did if you submit enough evidence to go along with your family petition. People always ask me if the case will be processed faster if I file it using a lawyer. And the answer to that is complicated. If my clients had filed this petition with the exact same evidence without a lawyer, it would have probably been approved in the exact same amount of time. But the place where a lawyer can help speed things up is by knowing what type of evidence is powerful evidence and by not making mistakes on the actual forms and petitions. So in this case, I think that I did make a difference in this outcome. So I'm very happy for my clients, but at the same time, there was also an element of luck to it in terms of not getting scheduled for an interview. I've seen clients with evidence that's just as good as this case get scheduled for an interview. So hopefully USCIS will be speeding up these family petition processing times across the board. But also, if your case is scheduled for an interview, don't stress out. If you don't have a lawyer, at that point, it might be a good idea to at least consult with a lawyer to prepare with someone who has experience for the interview, even if you don't want to hire that lawyer to attend the interview with you. If you're in a situation like this, or you're considering filing a family petition for spouse or parent or kids or even a sibling, feel free to contact me. We can do a one-on-one consultation by video, telephone, or in person in my office if you live in New York. I represent clients with these types of petitions throughout the entire United States. I'm not just limited to New York. Also, if you're interested in this type of content, please provide comments below about other video topics you want to see me make. I focus almost entirely on family-based immigration and naturalization issues. So if there are questions you have or topics you want to see me make a video about in that area, put them in the comments below. Any questions you post, I'll answer within a few days of posting the video. If you're new to my channel, I post a video on a weekly basis, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.